Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Come on board this beautiful Sundancer 320. As we walk on board, we have a lounge area, stereo remote, fuel fill, waste pull-out, hot and cold shower, transom door with the infinity woven carpeting. This boat is equipped with a canvas package. So we took off the aft canvas and we still have the sides on. It has a hard top with a sunroof that rolls back. Here on the starboard side, sorry Josh, we have a sink area, refrigerator, garbage pail. Awesome seating with backrests that move fore and aft. On the helm, we have room for 2 screens. They're flush mounted Simrad screens. Also, a flush fusion stereo is also flushly mounted here in the dashboard. Tilt wheel, trim tabs, digital throttles and shift. And this boat is also equipped with the joystick operation. So you can move this to the right, the bow moves to the right, you move the button sideways, the boat will go sideways. It also has a sky hook option where if you hit this button, the boat will stay in one spot, and it has an autopilot built in. Awesome feature on this boat is that it has a cabin, and I would call it like a mid-berth cabin. Let's come on in. This is made into a bed. In the aft part of the boat, there's 2 bunks back here. This is the head. You can pull the sprayer out and hook it up here as a shower. A second refrigerator. And a microwave. Now let's go to the bow. This is where this boat gets great. We have a port side walk-through windshield with bow seating. Anchor and windlass. Railing to keep you safe inside. A second remote for the stereo. The water fill to starboard. If you notice, it's one single windshield as well here as you're looking from the helm. And Josh will take another good picture of that hard top for you. Well, I wanted to thank you for coming aboard the 2019 320 Sundancer from Sea Ray, and I hope you can come down and check it out in person. Take care.